Good morning class, this is Dhwani Saxena and now I am going to teach you computer. Today we will start the chapter 1 hardware components of a computer. Know about the hardware components. First we know the computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which used to connect or which used to perform a particular task in a set of instruction which is given by the user. Now we know what is hardware. A hardware is a thing or a device which use or support to do the work, to do the thing or to perform the task to the computer is called hardware. Hardware is a supporter device, or you can say in its individual device which perform its own task given by its user or given by the command is called hardware. Now what is component? Component is a part of computer like mouse, keyboard, speaker, printer. All these things are called components. And now there are two types of components. First is external hardware components and the second is internal hardware components. Now we'll see what is external hardware components. In the external hardware component, there is, as you can see, there is a speaker, monitor, printer, memory card, floppy disk, CD, DVD, mouse, keyboard, or mic, and so on. These are the external hardware components, and there is a different use of the different external hardware components. Like computer monitor is used to display the picture on the screen. Speaker is used to play the music or play the sound. CD DVD drive is used to CD DVD drive is used to contain the data or information in a picture and text form. Printer is used to display the data in a picture, image or text form. Memory card is also is a storage device which used to contain the data. Mic is used to speak and keyboard is used to give the input to the computer. Mouse is a pointing device which used to point the things or folder on the desktop. And CPU is a brain which perform the all action given by the user. Now it is these are the external hardware component, as you see the children, and I think you understand things. Now next is internal hardware components. Internal hardware components, first is CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. It performs the arithmetic logical operation of a computer. You can say it is a brain of a computer which perform each and every task in the computer. Without CPU, computer is nothing. With CPU, computer is a computer. It performs each and every task in the sense it manage the whole system of a computer, is error detect, it display the picture, is give the sound, it print the paper, means it give the command to all the components of the computer, and the components of a computer perform the action given the instruction by the CPU. And who give the instruction to the CPU? User give the instruction to the CPU. As you can see in the picture, there is a many parts inside the CPU. Now next is computer fan. As you see, this is computer fan. Computer fan is used to cool the system and cool whole computer. The because computer become very hot to during the run time. When the computer do work very long time, it become very hot. Then fan is used to control its heat and it cool whole the system. And now next is the RAM. As you can see, the RAM is an random access memory which used to store the data temporarily. It is used the data temporarily, and after some time it lost the data if you will not store the data permanently inside the storage device. Next is BIOS. As you can see, the BIOS, it is that first set of code that get your computer up and running, checking its devices like the hard drive, attached devices, and then it load your operating system. It means a BIOS is a platform or track which hold all the work of all components of a computer inside the computer. Means BIOS is a, you can say it's a parent, or you can say it's a leader of the computer which manage whole work, whole action which is performing of the components of computer, and it manage all the things. Now next is PC slots. PC slots provide a medium to expand the capabilities of the PC by adding like modem card, audio card, Ethernet card. Yes, PC slots is just like a switchboard ports. It is used to insert the memory card, insert the audio card, insert the Ethernet card, insert the modem card, and modem card to connect the network, computer connectivity, internet connectivity, audio cord to use the listen the sound, Ethernet connect more than one computer to each other. Means ports is also a very important component of a computer. These are called slots. There are many more slots inside the computer which used to connect and perform the action by the computer. Now we will see tasks performing between the external and internal hardware. Now here in this picture, as you can see, there is a processing between the input device and output device. Now in this picture, there is a hard disk, CD-ROM, floppy disk, which is called storage device, and input device give the process and internal memory. There is a processing internal CPU doing the work on the RAM, and then after performing the task, it gives the output to the output device, which is VDU, or video. Yeah, you can say this is printer. In the printer you can see the output. Between these storage device and processing internal memory device, you can see they are doing the work. The work is performing here and it goes to the storage device, and now it give, after performing the task, it give the output to the output device, and output device print the picture on the screen. Now the topic is finish here, children. Thank you.